Okay, right here, this one we've got a miss, and I finally get to use this tool. I've had it forever, never got to use it, but I had a miss that wouldn't go away. Look, it's got a brand new coil. Okay, I've got it hooked up. I'm gonna hit test 4 amps. Listen for it. There we go, test in progress, no clicking. All right, now I'm gonna switch it. Okay, there we go, we're ready for test. All right, listen for it. It's working perfectly. We'll go back to the suspected bad injector. Anyways, I already ohmed it out, and infinite ohms, but I've never got to use this tester. No dice. Test in progress. 4 amps. Bad injector. It's up.